my time. Usually when cars change lanes, other cars speed up and replace them. Everything's pretty smooth right now. I'm moving it over one more lane to the right. Perfect. Nice and smooth.
In half a mile, exit the highway at exit 240B.
I'm looking for deer right now that could pop out. I'm lifting my foot a little bit because I am in a slower lane. People do not use blinkers. Very confusing, very frustrating. I tell my drivers, keep speed, keep good space.
Exit the highway at exit 240B.
I can't take this exit because there's a lot of construction up at the top. So I'm going to go down to the next exit. And I'm taking my time. This huge semi-truck again. I'm going to pass through the blind spot. No zone, you can say it with me. Left side, right side, front and back. Go ahead and say it. Left side, right. He can't see me right now. She can't see me.
Highway at exit 241.
So speed control is pretty good. It's definitely very windy out here.
Exit the highway at exit 241.
I'm going to turn on my right turn signal. Going really smooth right now. Lifting my foot. You're going to see a quadruple quad is for. You're going to see 2 lanes going to the left. It could be inside or outside. 2 lanes going to the right.
8.4 miles. Turn left onto 21 Mile Road.
Going to pick up another student for DMV test prep. We'll show you that.
Take the next left onto 21 Mile Road.
Taking my time. Traffic is moving. You do not want to run this line because cars are... What is this person carrying? Man, I just don't know. So we're in the inside lane, and I'm just going to take my time. And they're carrying something. I'm already in an intersection, so I will go through with caution. And unfortunately, I'm going to be stuck behind this person carrying whatever this is. So if persons are carrying large materials, you don't want to be around them. You want to keep your space. You want to take your time. And I'm trying to do that right now. Cars are cutting in front of this person hauling, and I'm going to slow down at this light and stop. I don't want to run the light. I want to take my time, build good habits. The white Jeep almost rear-ended me. So I'm a firm believer in being consistent, looking, checking, and watching. And you can see the cars that have on blinkers, the cars that not, how they turn. You have the semi-truck. The light will probably catch them. Looks like it just did. I'm scanning, and I'm looking. This person's carrying a 2x4. I do not want a 2x4 near me. So I'm just taking my time, looking. There's a cement truck.